Okay, I got 11 seconds. Hear me.
Welcome to Paris.
왜 큰 거 작고?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Cheap.
You gotta ask me a question. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Grace from California.
Okay, bye. Okay.
야, 너무 예쁜데? 근데 good luck. You're 5 more pounds than me.
Bye. Come on. Hello, everyone. We have arrived, and it is raining a lot. And we're gonna eat some fun, and then we're gonna.
와, 뭐 느낌적인 느낌.
Wow! Look at the bus. Okay, we're gonna go get some food and coffee, and then head to the Eiffel Tower later in the rain.
Wait, it smells really good.
Been waiting so long to come here. Yes! I think I got that last time.
I think I heard that the Grand
Oh, the
Garage
yes!
is pop-
Oh, hey! You can follow me. It's raining, but it's nice. It's 느낌적인 느낌.
Oh, what does mad people? 8 a.m. Tuesday, May 7th.
Hello. French onion soup. We got grease, dog salad, so exciting. Also, long on the side, on a stand. Get a baguette. Oh yeah, yes. What should we get? Our first baguette. So crunchy. We're gonna go get some ham and eat it with butter. Okay, bye.
Nice.
And the baguette. So, our crib. This is our crib. Okay, go in. Guide us.
Welcome.
Welcome.
This is my tree garden.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go to a museum like Airbnb. We're gonna take 100 steps up.
Okay.
This is our daily leg workout.
Yes. Okay, see your 5 steps, flights up. Okay, on first. Do a little tip. Wow. Yeah, crunch. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay. Cheers. Okay. Barter. Oh my god, I feel the salt crystals. Oh my god. Wow.
Butter is different. Wait,
맛있지?
나 butter 이거 엄청 많이 가져가야 될 것
나도.
같은데? 나 butter 집에서 엄청 많이 먹어. Like just this too.
Cheers. This is what I wanted to come here for. Just this.
먹어.
Also eating hazelnut yogurt. My good, right?
There's so much fat on this. Butter, bread, and
But that's everything about France.
미쳤다. You know how there's so much fat on that ham? It's not
It's so
질겨.
fatty, right?
It's
It's
like
a lot of ham fat, but it's not like fat.
질긴 fat.
It's not like
Like it's like you know how it's like it's hard to kind of peel sometimes. This is like literally falling off. 그리고 하나도
yeah,
비리지 않아.
yeah, yeah.
I'm a food critic.
You are. What? Just butter this time. You think we're not lactose? Paris 2024. Oh, so many people. Word. How's your in your life? How's your first cappuccino? Good. Here, let's done. Oh, you can put sugar in it.
The milk is good.
It comes with a little. I'm scared. Down. Turn it like this. What are you doing? I'm making a video. What is this? Oh, like this. Oh. Hello. Bonjour. Water and walking at the same time. Running doggy. Flowers. Wow, so nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Welcome to my home.
Yeah, welcome.
This is my car. The bang.
Bang?
Wait, so you were wanting to eat
This one.
Oh, wait a second. My buddy is down here.
Cool. Yeah, what do you like about it?
seems very Catholic.
Catholic? Oh yeah?
And I
that's
believe
wonderful.
in Jesus.
Yes, you do. Okay, so I have to show you. And show you my favorite painting. But look at all these people. It's crazy. Look at the size. Yeah, I think that's a perfect example of darkness contrasting the lights. Oh, yeah, 죽었어. Wow, look at that. Look at the red.
Very, very.
Ladies and gentlemen, my fave. They moved it. 이거야. This right here. You know why? Because she's a martyr.
What do you know?
It's what I remember reading about it. When she's a martyr, that's why she has a halo on her head. And she died for Jesus. And I think her lover, like over there, is like so sad. I'm like looking for her. This is also a good example of like darkness and light.
You want a picture?
Sure. I think it. Yeah.
How did they get all that on there?
No idea.
Okay, I see.
Hello. Oh, fresh veggie. Why, hello. What are you doing here?
You're so social.
Essaye de réparer.
Merci beaucoup.
C'est les deux, ça moins faire que
Much needed break while show. Around.
Wait, I don't think this is your style.
What, beer?
Yeah.
It is. I love beer. We're outside. We migrated to another place.
Pizza.
And I wanted to show my nails. Like a little bow. I ordered, what is it? What's that I ordered? Merci. And then Grace got a rosé, something. Goodbye, everybody. Merci. Chilling on the French 의자.
Outside.
느낌적인 느낌.
تقدر هي دير لك اسمع تقدر دير لك شي با فيرمون
ايه هذه اللي نحكيك عليها في البلاصه هما ماشي يخدموا في الباي بال
نشريو باي بال
J'entends des signes à l'italienne au XVIe siècle par Catherine de Médicis, à l'orée de la forêt du Rouvre. Ce jardin fut créé de toutes pièces pour être un des lieux de enclave des universités traditionnelles avant l'éparpillement du savoir lorsque les études se faisaient en langue latine.
To starboard, the Latin Quarter, center of the traditional universities, in the days before knowledge became more widespread.
Della dispersione del sapere e quando l'insegnamento veniva prodigato in latino.
It was constructed for the first time from 1163 by the architect Villard de Romécourt for the bishop Maurice de Sully. It is symbolic of the Gothic period, along with the cathedrals of Chartres, Amiens, and